go, we got this remote control excavator here. My son got for his 5th birthday and he's loving it. It works well in the sand, works well with Cheerios. Top rotates, the tracks move. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, which is great because once one runs out, you don't have to worry about kid being upset because hopefully you have the other charged one on hand. The bucket's metal, it's not plastic, so you don't have to worry about it breaking when you're scooping little rocks or something. But this is a great toy. I was surprised. I thought the controls would be a little bit more advanced for him, but he's picking it up pretty well. It's also got these lights, so he was playing last night with the front lights when it was dark, running it around the basement in the dark. So overall, this is a really fun toy. It's not your average race car. Does a lot more, moves a lot differently than a lot of other remote control toys. So I would highly recommend this for your kid if you're looking for a unique toy.